Hello everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. So as you all know that IP University admission process of first round counseling has kick-started. So many of you are getting worried about the payment of 40,000, and that worry, that concern is quite genuine. If I had been at your place, I would also have been worried whether my money will be refunded or not. So watch this video till last, because here we are going to see the circular, or you can say notification of the university itself, where it has been clearly mentioned what is their refund policy and how much money will be refunded or withdrawn if you are not interested to take admission in this university later on. So now let us see that in the complete information is given here in chapter 15, the refund policy. So you can see here that it's written in pursuance of the University Grants Commission notification on remittance and refund of fees and other student-centric issues of December 2016, the refund policy for withdrawals, cancellations, admissions of Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University is notified as below. Means this notification was provided by UGC under means in 2016, and I think in this year also it will be followed. So now we have to see what is actually this policy. So here you can see that I have pasted the circular, this notification here, that percentage of refund of aggregate fees, and that is 100%. Point of time when notice of withdrawal of admission is served to higher educational institutions. So you have to mind it very carefully, because before paying your 40,000 you have to know all these details. It's not a small amount. Key, what is the thing actually, that first of all you see this notice, then I'll tell you some other details. So don't leave the video after this notice. Fine. So you will be given 100% fee back 15 days before the formally notified date of admission. Means whenever the complete date of admission will be declared, if you withdraw your money 15 days before that, then 100% money will be refunded. And if you have applied for refund not more than 15 days after the formally notified last date of admission, then you will be refunded 80% money back. So you can just check it out how much money will be refunded to you. Then more than 15 days but less than 30 days, sorry. So means whenever your admission date is announced, then within 30 days, within 1 month, if you will apply for withdrawal, then 50% of the money will be refunded, right? And if it will be more than 30 days after formally notified last date of admission, then 0% money will be refunded. Means you will not be paid any money back if you will apply for refund after 1 month. So this thing is very important for all of you. You have to know this thing very carefully, very clearly, that whenever you are paying the money, you have to see what is the last date of admission, formally notified last date of admission of that particular college, and you see that you are not interested in taking admission there, then you have to 15 days earlier you have to apply for refund, then your money will be refunded to you. Now you must be thinking ki what is this last date of admission. So here what you have to see, that suppose you have paid 40,000 now, and you come to know ki last date to submit the complete fees is this in that particular college. So before 15 days earlier, before 15 days before that date, you have to apply for refund if you are not interested. But if you are interested in getting admission in IP University, then there is no problem. This 40,000 will be adjusted in the complete fee of that particular college where you want to get admission. So this information is very useful for all of you. Share this video with others also, and subscribe to Kingdom of Learning.